Okay, how to align anything object to anything object, and not only object, and no use plugins, no use add-ons. Okay, let's make example. Make cube and make tape rule. One empty object and second empty object. Let's make different size. And make one object cone style and rotate. Okay, rotate Z. Okay, and make constraint track to target to this object. Okay, okay, let's check. Okay, it works. Rule follow to target. This is our tape rule object. How it works: we get body and press G, B to vertex. Okay, press G, B and vertex. Okay, G, B, vertex. Okay, then we need link this object to tape. Select object, select tape, Ctrl P, object keep transform and check. Okay, this is works. Let's check. Make cube and make something random angle. Okay, this is random angle. This is just random angle. Okay, what we do? Okay, we go to target, G, B. Okay, G, B. Okay, and voila. This is we align this object to this edge, and if we get local, select local coordinates orientation, we can move this object by this edge. Something advanced. Okay, we can make origin, affect to origin, and vertex, snap. Okay, rank, schmank, off, affect to origin, rotate, X, 90 degrees. Okay, and we can, okay, and another example. For example, we have cube in local coordinates. It's normal cube, but if we cube with reset coordinates, local and global be the same. How we can make the cube, this cube, align it to world? Break parents, Alt P, okay, and we do the same. G, B, okay, G, B, okay, and make parent. Select this, Ctrl P, keep transform. Okay, and we can make something like this, for example 0, 0. Okay, this is first step. Then we select Alt P, clear. Okay, GB, bound, and the same. Alt Ctrl P, keep transform, and Z0. Так, okay, keep transform, Z0. Okay, and then Ctrl A, L transforms, apply and transforms. Now set origin to center geometry, and then okay, Alt P, clear transform. Okay, and then we rotate, make local. L works.